Are you looking for something different? Have you thought about applying for an apprenticeship at the council? You'd be surprised how many opportunities there are to choose from. Every year, the council recruits all sorts of Flintshire trainees in IT, accountancy, business admin, customer services, our environmental street scene, social media, and a whole range of trades. You could be a countryside ranger, a surveyor, a housing officer. I was a graduate trainee a few years ago, and now I'm a public relations officer for Aura, and I absolutely love it. In an apprenticeship, you earn as you learn. We pay national living wage, there's hands-on training, and you'll be supported by your own placement supervisor. If the course requires college attendance, and most do, we give day release and pay for your time. We also pay for additional courses, like a master's degree if you're a graduate. And you'll do lots of things you can be proud of. Modern apprentices don't just make the tea. We recruit in March, April, and the whole group of new apprentices start in September. So you'll meet lots of new people and you'll make lots of new friends. And will you get a job at the end of it? Well, you're on a fixed-term contract until the end of your apprenticeship, and we will help you to apply for vacancies as they come up. 75% stay working in the council, 15% get a job with another employer, and 5% use their apprenticeship qualifications to go on to university. That's got to be a pretty good outcome. Apprenticeships are available to all ages, whether you're leaving school, upskilling, or thinking about a complete career change. On-the-job training, nationally recognised qualifications, great life skills, no student debt, and you'll earn while you learn. It's genius. Get in touch, we'd love to hear from you.